LRA Auto has a third-generation frame-off restored 1970 Nova finished in its original black cherry paint. Under the hood is a new 454 cubic inch big block V8 crate engine with 100 miles since installation. On top of that big block engine sits an Edelbrock dual quad intake manifold and carburetor setup. Additional accents include a chrome alternator and billet pulleys. Bolted up to the motor is a new monster-built 700R4 automatic transmission, and to complete the driveline is a new 12-bolt posi traction rear end with a 373 gear ratio. All this power must sound good, and that's produced through custom stainless Doug's headers with 3-inch stainless exhaust and mufflers. The engine is also equipped with a new aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, new distributor wires and plugs, as well as a high-torque starter. The underside of the car and suspension were not forgotten. New QA1 adjustable front and rear shocks and new Hotchkis tubular A-arms, a fresh set of Firestone Wide Oval tires and factory rally 5-star wheels with SS center caps are installed to give it a great ride and retain the original 1970 look. The bottom of the car is detailed to show quality, all painted satin black along with full polished exhaust, chrome transmission pan, chrome oil pan, and a beautiful new fuel tank. The interior has the original factory dash and its odometer showing 54,847 miles. Factory console includes the factory shifter and gauge cluster. Factory bucket seats and rear bench seat are perfectly reupholstered in black vinyl. The armrest consoles with beverage holders are added to the front and back seats for a modern touch inside. Tilt steering wheel, power steering, and power brakes makes this car a pleasure to drive. If you pop the trunk, you'll see that area finished as if the car was brand new the day it was delivered. A full-size factory spare, jack, and paint are all perfect. The original date-coated glass was used to retain the authenticity from 1970. Not many 1970 model year muscle cars come along with upgraded performance and the original factory appearance of this 1970 Nova Supersport. You get it all in one package whether you choose to cruise the streets or hit the local car shows. Plenty of looks and trophies will be given to the next owner who chooses to park this classic muscle car in their driveway.